Today I'm at 4447 North Kedzie in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. This actually has a laundry room in it. It's a great show. Lots of space. You've got room above the washer and dryer to hang clothes. This is the Albany Park neighborhood. There's a mirror I'm going to try to stay out of over there. This is, as you walk in, a nice entry closet. Great place to drop your sporting equipment or whatever kind of bags you have. Tub and shower combination. Stone countertop, really nice modern lighting. Nice open kitchen. This does have a garbage disposal as well as an ice maker in the freezer. Nice big stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets. Right here is where you'd put the dining room table if you wanted one. Living room on the far side here. Bedroom number 2. This unit faces west, so it gets a ton of light. Has a nice balcony. You're only about a block and a half from the Kedzie Brown Line stop. See the railroad tracks down there. Nice big outdoor space. There's electricity and lights out there. Really nice big primary bedroom. Nice big walk-in closet. Lots of storage space. This is the primary bedroom, which would easily hold a king-size bed, no problems at all. Here's the ensuite bathroom. Nice big vanity, lots of storage. Storage is on the far end. A really big shower, step-in shower. And now back out to the front.